juicing is so convenient. Child, it smells so good. This.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind and that you could rely over a little.
Because I'm batch juicing, what I'm just going to do is continuously juice through my juicer. Normally what I like to do is rinse it out with water, and you can do so if you like. All you would just do is fill this up with water, pour it in your juicer, and then pretty much it cleans it out, so therefore there's no remaining taste from the previous juice you've made. But for me, I don't care because I like all of the ingredients I'm juicing, so it really doesn't bother me. And by the way, these are just all recipes I'm making up on my own. So I have my cantaloupe, grapefruit, ginger, a lime, 2 carrots. Anything with grapefruit and cantaloupe is always a win-win in my eyes. So I'm starting off by cutting my cantaloupe, and I am going to tell you the benefits of drinking these juices in the video. So when you're juicing in your, with whatever juicer you're using, well, I can really speak for the namawell, but traditionally you want to juice the things that are softer first. So you go soft, medium to hard. That's the precise order. Starting off with the softest, we're going to start off with our lime. I would highly recommend doing a juice detox, or just like juicing a lot of healthy stuff. Now the reason why I like to leave the skin on my cantaloupe is because, as you know, this green stuff is filled with chlorophyll. This is the ginger, but as you know, ginger has a very great kick to it. So I think me adding this is way too much, but it's okay. I love spice. I don't recommend you add that much if you don't like that much ginger. Ginger is one of those type of ingredients where you should pretty much add to your taste versus just taking a risk. I would hate for you to ruin your whole drink recipe. All I forgot to mention, I'm gonna add a little turmeric. The benefits of juice 1 is it does boost your immune system. It has tons of vitamins such as vitamin A, C, B6, folate, zinc, and niacin. It helps to prevent inflammation and several infectious diseases. Also, it will help lower cholesterol and carbs. It improves your eye health. It does help with gut health and weight management, along with weight loss. It can boost your iron, promote healthy skin, improve your digestion, and helps to prevent kidney stones. It helps to relieve nausea and upset stomachs, along with alleviating menstrual pain. You can even see the color right here of the turmeric. It looks so pretty and golden. Cheers. That tastes refreshing. So now we're gonna take the juice and put it into this bowl. You all, this juice looks so perfect. It's like, yum, yum, yum. So I'm just going to cover it with a paper towel while I'm working on my next drink. For my next juice, what I'm going to have is, this is actually something that I've been drinking for so long. I actually used to drink this as a smoothie. Pineapple. When I say so long, I mean I've been drinking this probably for 2 to 3 years now, or something of that nature. Watermelon. Together, the pineapple and watermelon is a really amazing drink, y'all. Ginger, not the whole ginger, don't worry. An apple, 2 oranges, and a lemon. The benefits of juice 2 is it helps to keep you hydrated. It has tons of vitamin C, plus it helps you to have an overall better workout while giving you tons of natural energy. Plus, it will keep you full a lot faster due to the high content of water in these fruits. It does improve your eyesight. It helps with your blood pressure, hair growth, and keeps your skin looking hydrated. It helps to reduce body fat, improve memory and bone density, restore electrolytes, and prevents dehydration. It aids with digestion along with detoxifying the body, reducing stress, regulating blood pressure, relieving constipation, reducing asthma attacks, and it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Batch juicing is so convenient. You can definitely add your pulp into a smoothie. You can freeze it. I just choose to throw mine away. My preference. Y'all do what y'all want to do. Of course, I have my ginger, which I'm going to cut that much. And something told me to pour it in this other bowl, which is what I'm going to do. Woo, child. I have 2 cucumbers, my grapefruit, 2 apples, 2 pieces of turmeric, a half a slice of ginger, a lemon, a lime, I have 6 carrots. The benefits of Juice 3 is it will help to detoxify the body, balance your hormones, keep you hydrated, improve your skin. Along with your sleep, it does help to manage weight loss and regulate the pH balance. It helps to absorb iron, lower the risk of a stroke, kidney stones, and it manages diabetes. It helps to relieve a sore throat, along with helping to reduce the risk of heart disease, and it helps to prevent cardiovascular problems. It helps with oral hygiene. This juice is great for a liver cleanse. It does support weight loss, and it helps to improve collagen in your skin. I am going to make a list of all of the ingredients that I did make for these juices at the end of the video, and if you all want to purchase any of the supplies that I'm using, I will link that below. You can check out my Amazon storefront so you can go ahead and make your juice today. What I'm going to do is do a little taste test. This is number 3 juice with the carrots. It tastes good. I added a lot of ginger, but I like the spice. It's giving me island vibes. I taste the lemon and the lime. That one is really good, y'all. This is the very first juice I made. I could smell the cantaloupe as soon as I started pouring. It's very refreshing. It feels like it feels very like, what is it? Moringa. I would recommend y'all probably not to add ginger to this one because I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, I would just say don't add no ginger, but it tastes really good. For the watermelon one, this tastes like a tropical fruit punch. You know the tropical fruit punch that you buy in the store? That's what this tastes like. Y'all, this is they're all so amazing. I always do this when I just make up my own recipes. These are really good. This is giving me more of a midday fruit punch. We're gonna call this the watermelon punch drink. Really good. If you wanted to even have it and add some liquor and serve it as a party because you did stop drinking juices like me, definitely do so. It would be a very good punch. Oh my gosh, y'all, I hate that. That's the worst part about when you're juicing. It's like if you make a spill, the inside of your soul wants to cry. But this will be easier. Next, we have our watermelon. I got these really cool mason jars online. Yeah, I do have some of it left. And I'm gonna pour it in this little mason jar I have. This particular mason jar that I did purchase, it does have a lid that's closed in. like this, or if you're going to drink your liquid, which I'm not now, you can use one of these lids. I think these are like 24 ounces. This is like 16, and this is 8 ounces. We have our lash juice for the day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy these juices. It's a must try. The summer is approaching, so these juices feel so good, refreshing. I mean, you're going to love it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you try these juices, what's your favorite one, because they're all my favorite ones. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.